We have a Sharp CNC vertical milling machine, model OMV. It has an Acu-Rite 3-axis mill power control. Machine serial number is 61024269, and we're going to run it for you. Machine, again, has an Acu-Rite 3-axis control. Right now he's running the variable speed. The variable speed of the head goes from 60 up to 4,200 RPM. It's an R-8 spindle. Machine has a 10 by 50 table with 31 inches of X-axis travel or longitudinal table travel, 15.5 of Y, and 5-inch of quill.
100.
That's 100 RPM.
About 350.
350 in the low range. Spindle brake. It's moving it into the high gear. That's high gear. 3,000 RPM. Again, the high is 4,200.
About 800.
800 RPM. Okay. We're going to jog it around. Manual quill, which again you have about 5 inches of quill travel. It's your Y. Again, when you're using the hand wheels, which the machine does have ball screws, it acts as a digital readout. You have 31 inches of X travel, 15.5 of Y, 5 inches of quill Z. You also have 15.3 of knee up and down. Machine's axes are nice and quiet. That's the quill. Okay. You have dovetail, hardened and ground chrome ways. I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.